Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Online Preschool Learning. In this video, I would like to share with you 7 promising ideas to celebrate Children's Day online. As a teacher, before you start the session, do not forget to tell the short story behind why we celebrate Children's Day on 14th of November every year. Children's Day is celebrated across India to increase awareness of the rights, care and education of children. It is celebrated on 14th November as a tribute to India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, fondly known as Chacha Nehru among children. Nehru considered children as real strength of a nation and foundation of society. Hence, we celebrate Children's Day on Nehru Jayanti, that is 14th of November every year. As a token of memory, it is a good idea for students and teacher to pin a rose flower on the dress while going online this Children's Day. Now, let's discuss about how to celebrate Children's Day in the online classes. First, for preschoolers, the best and unique way to celebrate this day is by conducting a talent show where kids can exhibit their talent by singing some songs or by dancing, by doing any feat or by telling any dialogue. Maybe they can show any art and craft or a cute drawing or maybe by a quick recipe. The children can also give a short speech on behalf of the Children's Day. Now, when it comes to the higher classes, here are 7 promising ways to make this Children's Day a memorable one. So far, we have been doing all the online celebrations of different festivals by just making it a storytelling or like a fancy dress competition. So, this time for this Children's Day, let's make it a special one where children can speak out their heart and get more connected to their teachers and to their friends. So, the very first idea is my role model. In this activity, children can tell who their role model is and also can express what made them inspired the most about their role model. If they do not have a role model yet, this Children's Day, they can fix a role model and act accordingly following the success steps of the role model. Second idea is quick click pick. In this activity, teacher can give 5 minutes time and children can quickly grab a phone and go and click any picture, maybe of a beautiful moment with their mom or maybe the view of a sky or anything which is unique in their thought process which is just around them, and do screen sharing with their teacher. The one with more creative photo shoot idea can be admired by all in the class. The third idea is guess who. In this activity, teacher can divide the class into 2 groups. Now, the teacher can show the images of different personalities and children should quickly guess the name of the shown picture. They may be the pictures of freedom fighters, entrepreneurs, sports players or even film actors or celebrities. The fourth idea is best moment of my life. In this activity, students can share the best moment of their life with everyone in the class. This activity make all the children get more connected and make them feel as if they are a family. What best idea would give this joy of sharing about themselves with their friends on the occasion of this Children's Day? The fifth idea is Damsharats. Teacher can divide the class into 2 groups and have a list of movie names. Now, teacher can enact the movie name to 2 groups separately. The group who answers the most Damsharats will be the winner. The sixth idea is showtime. All the class along with the teacher can decide upon a beautiful movie and watch it together. Children can make an arrangement as if they were in a movie theater. By getting in some popcorn, hot coffee, or chips, by turning off the lights and make it as if they were in a real movie theater. Now, the last idea is the seventh idea, my goal in life. Children can express their goal and share it with their teacher and friends on the occasion of this Children's Day. This is a beautiful idea for teachers to understand more about their students and their dreams of the loving students on what they would like to be in future. Given a chance, teachers can also help the students by guiding them in achieving their goals. This strengthens the bond between a student and a teacher. Hope you all have liked these 7 promising ideas on how to celebrate this Children's Day to make it a more memorable one. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and do comment to me for what kind of videos you are looking out for. Happy Children's Day to everyone out there. Stay tuned. Bye.